Hello, Financial Fitness Hub family. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of low-content books. Imagine having your own line of journals or notebooks with nothing but blank, lined pages. Sounds simple, right? Well, it's not just about creating them. It's about effectively selling them too. We're going to explore how you can craft these books in under 10 minutes and position them perfectly in the market to make a profit. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive in. For those new to our channel, welcome aboard. Your financial fitness is our priority. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more empowering content. Let's start by understanding what low-content books are. These are essentially books with minimal to no written content. Think journals, diaries, or planners. They're incredibly popular for their simplicity and versatility. Now, you might wonder, can I really make money selling these? Absolutely. The key is in the execution, and that's what we'll focus on today. So, how do we create these books? It's surprisingly straightforward. With tools like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, you can design and publish your book in no time. We'll walk through a step-by-step process, from selecting the right dimensions to designing a captivating cover. Later in the video, so keep watching. Now let's talk about designing your book. Your cover is the first thing your customers will see, so it needs to make an impact. Think vibrant, eye-catching designs that reflect the content of your journal. Whether it's a prayer journal, a gratitude diary, or a simple planner, the cover should resonate with your target audience. But the cover is just the start. The interior matters too. Even though it's a low-content book, the few pages that do have content should be well thought out and purposeful. This could be an inspiring quote at the beginning, or a brief guide on how to make the most of the journal. So, let's get to the steps on how you create your book, shall we? Step 1. Research and planning. Identify your niche. Determine the type of low-content book you want to create. This could be a journal, planner, diary, or notebook. Consider targeting specific interests or professions like gardening, fitness, or meditation. Start by pinpointing a specific market or interest group for your low-content book. Consider areas like personal development, specific hobbies, or educational themes. Research current trends, seasonal interests, like journals for the new year, or evergreen topics like gratitude or mindfulness. Market research. Explore Amazon, social media, and forums to understand what customers are looking for in low-content books. Look at bestsellers and read reviews to identify trends and gaps in the market. Decide on the book's specifications. Choose the size, for example, 6x9, page count, and whether it will be a paperback or hardcover. Step 2. Content creation. Design the cover. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Your cover should be eye-catching and relevant to your book's theme. Remember, the cover is often the first thing a customer sees. The cover is a key selling point. Use high-quality images and fonts. The design should reflect the book's purpose and appeal emotionally to your target audience. Tools like Canva offer templates specifically for book covers, making it easier to create a professional-looking design. Interior pages. Design the interior pages according to your book type. For journals, it could be lined pages. For planners, a layout of dates and sections. Tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs can be used for simple designs, or more advanced software like Adobe InDesign for complex layouts. Add creative elements. Consider adding motivational quotes, small illustrations, or prompts to make your book more engaging. Step 3. Setting up on Amazon KDP. Create a KDP account. Visit Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing site to create an account. Ensure you have all necessary information, including tax details and bank account information for receiving payments. Book details. Fill in the title, description, and keywords. Use SEO-friendly keywords for better visibility. Upload your book. Upload the PDF files of your book cover and interior. Step 4. Publishing and marketing. Publish your book. Once you've reviewed everything, publish your book on Amazon KDP. Promotional strategies. Use social media, email newsletters, or Amazon advertising to promote your book. Collaborations with influencers or other content creators can also boost visibility. This is where you need to shine. Your marketing strategy should be as creative as your book designs. Utilize Amazon's powerful tools to optimize your listing with relevant keywords. These keywords are your secret weapon to ensure your book pops up when potential buyers are searching. Encourage reviews. Gently encourage buyers to leave reviews, as they are crucial for potential buyers. Reviews can significantly impact the success of your book. Reach out to initial buyers and politely ask for feedback. You could also offer a limited number of free or discounted copies in exchange for honest reviews. Positive reviews can boost your book's credibility and appeal to new customers. The real magic happens in marketing and sales. This is where many stumble, but not you. not after today's guide. We'll cover effective strategies to ensure your books stand out in the crowded Amazon marketplace. Are you finding this information valuable so far? If yes, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content like this. To ensure your books stand out, timing is crucial. Align your journals with seasons or events. For instance, a planner at the start of the new year or a gratitude journal during Thanksgiving can boost your sales significantly. So, how do you ensure your books are seen by the right audience? SEO is your best friend here. Use the triple stack method we mentioned earlier to maximize your visibility on Amazon. This means incorporating your selected keywords into your book's title, description, and tags. Step 5. Monitoring and scaling track. Sales and feedback. Monitor your book's performance on Amazon. Pay attention to customer feedback and reviews. Iterate and improve. Use the feedback to make improvements in future editions or subsequent books. Use Amazon's KDP tools to monitor your sales and read through customer reviews regularly. This feedback is invaluable for understanding your audience's needs and preferences. Expand your range. Consider creating more books in different niches or complementary products. Once you establish a foothold in the market, consider diversifying your offerings. This could mean creating sequels, complementary products, or exploring new niches. Expansion helps to build your brand and can lead to increased sales and a broader customer base. Now, let's talk about pricing. This can make or break your success. Research your competition, understand your costs, and price your books competitively. Remember, a well-priced book can lead to more sales and better rankings on Amazon. Set the pricing. Decide on your book's price. Research similar books to find a competitive price. Here's a final tip. Focus on quality. The quality of your book, both in content and physical makeup, is crucial. Ensure that the paper quality, binding, and overall production value meet customer expectations. High-quality products lead to better reviews and customer satisfaction. Stay informed and adaptive. The market for low-content books can change rapidly. Stay informed about current trends and be ready to adapt your products and strategies accordingly. Regularly reviewing competitors and market trends can provide insights into potential new products or adjustments to existing ones. As we wrap up, creating and selling low-content books on Amazon is an excellent way to generate passive income. With creativity, strategic marketing, and a bit of effort, you can turn blank pages into a profitable venture. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Financial Fitness Hub for more insightful guides and tips to enhance your financial well-being. We're here to help you achieve financial fitness, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for financial success.